Water is the main ingredient in this recipe. We should be aware of the benefits of water. We're pretty much made up of water. Here are a few benefits just as a refresher. Drinking water daily will help give us healthy skin, boost our energy, help with weight loss, get rid of harmful toxins in our body, help fight infection, and reduce our risk of cancer. And now, let's take a look at the second ingredient in this drink, apple cider vinegar. There's not much apple cider vinegar can't do, and in fact, a lot of its benefits overlap with the benefits of water. Apple cider vinegar has been shown to be a digestive tonic, a teeth whitener, a weight loss aid, an energy booster, and a disinfectant. You're going to want to start drinking apple cider vinegar daily to start reaping all the benefits. The third ingredient will be squeezing in some lemon juice into your glass with the water and the apple cider vinegar. Lemons can almost do anything. They can help with digestion, energy, shed fat, improve heart function, your eyesight, help with asthma, reduce your fever, and are excellent for weight loss. The fourth ingredient is sea salt. Now, important to note, we're not talking about table salt. There is a big difference. You want to make sure you get sea salt. The many benefits of sea salt include respiratory function, vascular health, decreasing signs of aging, and promoting weight loss. And the final ingredient is going to be cayenne pepper. Now be careful, because this is going to add a bit of heat to your drink. You want to experiment with how much you put in. Cayenne pepper does a list of wonderful things for our health. Helps with weight loss, our fever, relieves pain, digestion. Also helps to cure headaches, sore throats, and helps clarify our blood. And there you have it. That's your recipe. The key with this, like anything, is to be consistent. You should be doing this once in the morning and once before you go to bed. You will see the benefits before you know it. Good luck.